everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know we've had some exciting stuff happen. One of the things I wanted to do since I bought this car was start to restore it. And one of the things that really bugs me about this car, and part of the reason I got a good deal on it, is there's a dent right here. You can kind of see where the light curves. There's a little dent right here. And so I bought a kit off of Amazon. I think it was like $30 or $40. I'll link it below. But it is a paintless dent removal tool or kit. And so basically you hot glue these little things onto here and you use those to kind of pull the dent out lightly. So I've never done this before, so I'm going to try it out, and if it works, it's a lot cheaper than either going to a body shop, and you don't have to worry about filling with Bondo and matching paint and all that stuff. So hopefully it works. But yeah, so the first step is I'm going to clean off the car with some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to clean off the tools with rubbing alcohol, and then we'll try to glue some tabs on here and pull it out. But yeah, I'll let you know if it works. So I'm just using a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to clean off any, waxes or whatever's on here to make sure that the glue sticks to it. And I'll do the same thing to the little pieces. So I realized I didn't actually show you guys the kit that I bought, so I already opened it up, but here it is. So it comes with a bunch of hot glue sticks and a hot glue gun that we have plugged in right now. But there's two different color hot glues. One is for if one's a little bit more tacky than the other. It comes with a spray bottle for the alcohol, but I just use a rag, some scrapers, and then a bunch of different little attachments. It comes with a little hammer, and these things I don't expect to use that, but these are what the little tabs look like. So you glue these onto where the dent is, and then you use this tool to kind of pull on it to get the dent out. So let's get set up and see if we can get this dent out. So I spread a little bit of hot glue. I'm going to start with a little bit and kind of work my way up, but I'm just going to kind of stick it right here in the middle of the dent and hold it down and see what happens. So I don't really know what the wait times are to let it dry, but we'll give it a few minutes and kind of let the glue harden, and then we'll give it a tug. So obviously that didn't work. It just kind of popped right off. So I'm going to try a little lighter pressure next time and a little more glue and see what happens. So I got a little more glue this time, so I'm going to put it right back on the dent. Just hold it until it dries. I can imagine this is going to be pretty messy. I've been already kind of getting glue everywhere, but the glue kind of seems a little bit difficult to get off. So I'd start with less glue at first and then move up, but I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm not really too worried about scratching it that much because I'm going to do a full polish after this. I just really want this dent out. Alright, I ended up switching to the black hot glue. I looked it up online and it looks like this is a little bit better for warmer clients than the yellow or clear stuff. So let's see how it does. The glue's sticking to the car pretty well, but on the plastic tabs that are used for pulling, it's just not sticking. It's coming right off. So we'll be a little more patient with this one and let it dry. This glue seems to be working a little bit better. It looks like the metal's kind of, spoke too soon. I will say the metal moved a little bit more with the black glue than the clear glue. I'm in Phoenix, so it's pretty hot out here, so I imagine that plays a role. Alright, so I got this one on there. I got it dry. It's pretty dry. I put it on there pretty hard. I'm going to try this thing to kind of pull it, so we'll see if this helps. I have a feeling it might just kind of snap it off. It looks like it might have kind of pulled it a little bit. I'm going to try to... I think we made some pretty good progress on that one, so letting it dry and using that puller helped a bunch. I mean, you could still see the dent a little bit, but I think at this point it's significantly better. There's still a spot there and a spot there, so I'm going to try the little smaller guys and try to lightly pull those guys out a little bit, but it's significantly better from where it was before. It was like super sunk in at the top, and now that line's kind of straight, so I'm going to do a couple more, but I think we made some progress. I never thought I'd be taking a hammer to my car, but I mean, it's there, it's getting there. All right, so we got most of the dent out. It's not perfect, but it's way better than it was before, so I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not a professional, so I didn't expect it to be perfect, but at least it's to the point where it won't bother me as much. You can see a little bit of wave in the light, but nothing crazy. So I will say though, if you do this, it's gonna mar up the paint, so I would prepare for a polish afterwards. But it's definitely less unsightly than a big giant dent in the roof, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description for the kit that I purchased off of Amazon. I think it was like 30 or 40 bucks, and I think especially if you have a less intensive dent, it would work a lot better. This one had a crease in it, so that gave me a lot of trouble. I mean, I could spend another 2 hours here pulling and hammering and probably get it a little bit better, but I got it 80–90% of the way, and I don't think it's worth the effort anymore. So maybe one day I'll bust those tools back out and work on it a little bit more, but for now, I'm happy with it. I think the next thing for this is I'm definitely going to replace the windshield cowl. You can see it's cracked up. I have a new one already. And then I might actually do that after I do a polish on it. So I'm going to do a decontamination wash. I'm going to clay bar it, and then probably do a 1 or 2 step polish on it. The paint's actually in pretty good condition. It's just, it's lost its kind of shine because of all the swirl marks. So there's some rock chips and stuff like that, but overall it's in pretty good shape. And then now with this dent gone, I'm feeling a little bit more motivated to polish it up. So subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and stay tuned for some more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I'm just really trying to show you love. Say you tired and you need a new love. Use what you got for your lose love. See new things with your views up. Yeah, what you want to